What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Josh THD. So today I want to be talking about the new, or not really new drone, but I have a drone with me here. So I believe all of you guys want to see this drone live and direct. So before we get into this video, guys, make sure you like my video, subscribe, and share to friends so that other people can get notification about this video and also love to watch it. So after watching this video, guys, make sure you share it to your friends, tell them about my channel if you love it or not. So what I want to hear from you guys today is, tell me one thing you want to hear from, you want to be seen on this channel aside from drone shots, because I have plans of going out shooting drone outdoor, not indoor like this again. I want to be going out with my drone, shoot videos, show you guys places with drones, where you didn't even imagine it to be. Well, let's just get into the video. So welcome back, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you all. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and share this video. We want to get to our first 1,000 subscriber. Please, guys, support this channel. I believe we can do this. We have 256 subscribers now, but I believe by the you guys support another, we can get to that 1,000 subscriber. So I love you guys. Yeah, let's get into this video. Yeah, today I have this wonderful drone here. So this is a new drone with me. It's actually a good drone. I believe you all can hear me. This drone can do much better when it comes to piloting, but I will tell you the advantages and the disadvantages. So look at this black drone, but the one they gave to us is this, not the black. They are giving us white. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing of this guy. So first of all, I have to show you. Now this is a drone. I want to unbox it to show you what we have here. First of all, we have a receipt, like the what do they call it, the book about this drone, a guide, manual guide about the drone. So don't forget to go through the manual first. I think it's written in Chinese and English. This is Chinese, and we have the English version of the manual. So basically, this helps you guide you on how to pilot the drone step by step. So don't fall my hand. If you want to get a drone, make sure you ask some necessary questions. Yeah. So I got the power bank here. This is the battery for the drone, a very small battery, which is actually I think is around, it's a 3.7 voltage. Yeah, 3.7. Then we have the charging cable for the drone. This is a cable to charge it. Then we have the remote. So we have a remote here. So this remote actually, it has it uses 3 battery, normal Tiger battery. This is where you place your phone. Watch, you place your phone here. This so it's like the way they place DJI Mini 2. So your phone goes in this place. You have the control. Drag them down to control your stuff. So that is the remote for you. Then we have this fine bubble. We have the drone here. So this is the drone, and what I want to show you is simple. This drone, I think I have to do a second video on how I was trying to pilot the drone and the stress I went through. So this is the camera. See, it shoots 4K, so it has also rotation. You can turn right, turn left, shoot 4K. But the 4K is not normal 4K. We all know 4K is different from 4K. So it comes extra propeller. It has a screwdriver. Yeah, the gear, the landing gear. Then lastly, we have this, the battery cover. You place it in this side. So this is the battery cover. Yeah, the one thing is, as a drone guy or anybody doing drone stuff, don't forget to get your certification. If you want to know about that, make sure you ask question how you get your drone certification. So if you go through, you see that these are the whole stuff for this drone. Look at the layout. Yeah, I have this. So we have the battery, which is this. We have the remote control. Then we have the extra propeller and landing gear. Then we have the camera at the bottom. Then we have the. Yo guys, one thing is that to get your voice clear when shooting videos, you need this guy. You know why? I love TomTom. This TomTom. Sometimes you shoot video, your voice is cracking. You shoot video or you are recording, your voice is not clear. But see this guy here, TomTom. I have made use of this for several videos I've been doing. So make sure you get your TomTom, get your throat clear before you shoot video. So continue watching this video and share. Goodbye. Alright guys, enjoy this video. This